So this is boring, right? Black hoodies. Boring. So let's make this interesting. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, so happy whatever day it is for you. It's not Super Bowl Sunday, I'm guessing, because there's no way I edited and filmed this thing and posted it in 3 hours, so. Time for another DIY video. We're flipping this like a house. This is what we're doing, but with a shirt. But basically, I'm gonna crop the shirt to a new extent, so I'm gonna cut off this little piece, cut off this piece, and then sew this piece onto the top part of the hoodie. So if you want to do this, you need a hoodie, or a shirt, or a sweatshirt. You need scissors, a sewing needle and thread, an iron, and one of these little iron-on patches. This is from Amazon, so let's start by cutting. So just like all my DIYs I don't do the DIY before filming the video, so who knows if this is going to turn out well, but you can probably kind of tell from the thumbnail if it turned out well or not, so that'll probably tell you if you should keep watching or not. I think you should. Boom, we have that. And you just want to stop here and turn it into a headband. No one's telling you can't do that. And I'm going to cut off this top part too. Now you might be like,
what should I do with this?
Well, that's your prerogative, and I don't care what you do with that. Now you got a nice cropped hoodie, and it's time to turn this thing inside out. Why, you might be asking? So you can sew better. Is this a video that teaches you how to sew? No. So then turn this thing inside out. So now that you've got these two pieces, now it's time to sew them together. And how are we gonna do that, you might be asking? Or you might not be asking, maybe just, I don't know what you're thinking. But we're gonna use the standard needle and thread like they used to use, because we have a sewing machine, but I don't know where it is, and I also don't know if we still have it. So let's play a game called Watch and Learn. Or just watch, because I don't know if you're gonna learn anything from this. Here are some of my top tips for sewing. Make sure the thread you're using is tight enough. Make sure you're pulling the thing tight enough, and make sure you're actually sewing the right thing and not sewing the wrong pieces together. You may be like, that's so obvious, but I literally just did not do any of these things and I had to start over, but it's fine. Do this while sitting down, because standing in this position is extremely uncomfortable. I know some of you DIY pros might roast me for my sewing skills, but I know Gen Z doesn't get home ec class. Is that what they're called? Home ec classes. We don't get those because I guess that's just not a thing anymore. Basically, I think you get the point now. You basically just stitch the two pieces of fabric together all the way around. So let's do that. Let's finish this real quick. Now I finished sewing this. It's sewed all the way around. So let's turn it the right way. Boom. Now it's cropped. You have the little, this webbed part back up a little higher. It looks cute. It's like one of those cute cropped hoodies. You can kind of see some of the stitches right here, but we're gonna ignore that. This is the final touches. This thing. Let's iron it on in the center. As I said earlier, I got this from Amazon. They are not very expensive, I think. I got them like last summer. So you're basically just gonna take a piece of fabric or a towel or something just to like protect the top part of the iron-on patch. You're gonna take your iron and hold. Then you can just kind of move the iron around just to make sure it's stuck in all the places. You also don't have to use a butterfly. Maybe you want to get like a skeleton and iron that on. That could be fun too. Make sure to unplug the iron too once you're done so you don't set the house on fire. But here's what it looks like now that it's ironed on. You might want to let that like sit for a little bit just so it stays put. And boom, there you have it. Much cuter, much less boring. Let's put it on and do a little try on thing. So as you can see, this is the final product, a nice cropped hoodie without the little pocket thing. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, anything you want to. And see you later, alligator. Bye.